I can't even hear myself. Oh, this rain's horrible, bro. Finally upgraded my phone. But my old phone was like, it was done for, man. The back, front was cracked. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Bruh, I've been like contemplating and telling myself I want to lower my car, but then like lately, like in Georgia, it's been raining like crazy, bro. And I'm just thinking like, dang, man, imagine I'm lowered and like I hit one of those big, like, bro, that's gonna suck. You know how much, like, I know cars could take a little, you know, a little splash, but there's a little bit too much splash, you feel me? I don't know how high up in the engine bay is gonna go up. I got an engine like cover on the bottom, so it's not gonna really like, you know, do nothing crazy, but still, it's not a nice thought to have. Y'all let me know though, if y'all got lowered cars, man, we can just dodge and weave big what was it called, puddles. But this weather is not it, man. It's hot. Well, it's 72. It says 72, but I promise you, it's way lot. It's like, it feels like it's like 86. I'm tripping. It's like probably like 83. But like, you know what I'm saying? It's hot and it's rainy, so it's like it's like mad humid and it's like sticky. Like, you just feel real sticky, man. I was working outside today and like my whole body just felt sticky. I don't think it's that. Yeah, it's not really raining much over here. It was really back there, but that was crazy. Should I do a little pool? I've thought about like doing a pool in the rain. Like, I've done it before, but I don't know how good is that on your diff. I don't think it's too good. I feel like it's putting too much strain on your diff because you're not really getting as much good traction. You're like sliding. Slow. Yeah, man, y'all still watching, man. Welcome to my YouTube channel, man. Don't mind the fit, bro. This is like a two-school fit. This is like so like not color, I guess, like matching. I just threw on whatever. That's what I didn't want to do. See what I'm saying, bro? You see how hard I hit that? Imagine I was lowered. Get me all wet. But yeah, man. Y'all do like my POV drives. Like and subscribe. I've been mad itchy lately. Damn, I got in the wrong lane. This is that one turning lane that just stays packed. Let me in, please. But that car is not real. It sounds like a vacuum. I don't know if y'all heard that minivan. I'm contemplating, should I be healthy and get like a smoothie king? You feel me? On a healthy diet. But I'm not eating healthy at all, bro. I still live with my parents and they be buying junk food, and like, I be telling myself I'm not gonna eat it. And then when I get out of work, you know, when you get out of work, you're like mad hungry. You're like, you wanna eat. So like, I'll get a little bit. And that little bit turns into 2 cookies and 3 cookies, and later, you know, you chilling and you're like, I might not. Might as well have a little bit more. It's bad, bro. I need to have more discipline on my diet, for real, for real. That's like, my diet slacking. Damn, I should have stayed in that lane. That's what I get for trying to shortcut. I have napkins right here. I usually don't leave napkins in here thinking, like, you know, I try to keep my cars like, damn, bro, what's this trip? Bro, this traffic's buns. Why is this car not moving? Bro, there's no way this car is just moving. Yo, this traffic's... Bro, don't move to Atlanta, bro. Please. We have enough traffic here. I promise you, you're not going to enjoy Atlanta. Atlanta has way too much traffic. And like even all like the southern like, you know, far out places, not in the city, are getting food too, bro. They're putting neighborhoods out there and stuff. Bro, we have no space. I think Savannah, I think down south there's like more land and like, you know, space and stuff like that. Can't really complain though. Like, man, I'm in Metro Atlanta. Like, I'm like 30 minutes. Like, I could get to Atlanta right now with traffic, probably like 52 minutes. Less than an hour. That's not bad. Without traffic, I'll probably get to Atlanta like in 42 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, living that, like, you taking in consideration, like, you're in the middle of Georgia. You know, you have to know there's gonna be a good bit of traffic. It's like living in LA for California. I know LA traffic sucks. I've been seeing pictures and stuff, and like literally highways packed back to back both sides, and they have like 4 lanes. It's crazy. I don't know. I don't think I could do that. I don't think I could ever move to like California. Honestly, I like where I'm at right now. I would have moved to Florida just because I'm scared of like the ton of peninsula. It can go like, it can get like swallowed up by water any moment. I would have moved to California because of earthquakes. I think Georgia is perfect for me. I'm chilling right here where I'm at. I will grow here in Georgia, nowhere else. If I go big, I'm gonna go big here. I'm not gonna go move, because I know a lot of people when they get successful, they like to move to LA, Miami. Like, I really don't understand the hype. I guess it's to network. That's what a lot of people say, is to network. You know, you meet a lot of people, but bro, I could network from here, bro. I could go on a trip to those places and stay here. Why not? I might be wrong. I might not know the sauce. I don't know the sauce. Oh, ignore that, bro. Little cousin's getting on the game. Oh no, it's my big cousin. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna stop by Starbucks. I'm not tired for say, but you know. You see what I'm saying about my diet? Cooked, bro. Like me personally, I just gotta always be either slurping or eating on something. Pause. But you know what I mean? Like, I gotta have something in my hand. That's just how I am.